Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap. Happy Friday. I traded SPCE and BA today. I traded pre-market and the first 5 minutes, which those are two things that I do not usually do. But I decided this week has been a little crazy, and my 5 and 15-minute orbs haven't exactly been working well. They've been working. I have to have incredible patience, and I've been having to give it a lot more room than normal. So I kind of decided to, if I saw a good setup happening, no matter what time it was, I was going to take it to adapt with the market. So pre-market, SPCE looked like it was finding a bottom, and right here, you see the two hammer dojis. You see them on the 5 and the 15-minute charts. And then you have a rounding bottom here on the 1 minute. You could say it was a bit of an inverse head and shoulders, with this being the head, left shoulder, right shoulder-ish. You have the 9 and the 20 curling up and crossing over. And I noticed a huge imbalance on the bid and ask. The ask were just stacked up through the VWAP. So when it made a new 5-minute high and 15-minute high and started pushing up through the moving averages on the 1 minute, I decided to take a long position with a really tight stop if it lost these moving averages. One reason I do not like trading pre-market is because I can't put in hard stops, and that makes me very uneasy. So that is why I kept my stop extremely tight, and which is another reason I don't do well in pre-market, because I feel like if you have a really tight stop, you can get stopped out a lot easier. And then I took a 50% partial when it hit the VWAP, and then it slammed down quite quickly, and then I got out right below my entry point. But that was my SPCE trade pre-market. And then here is my BA trade. Pre-market. First off, BA was not on my watch list. It was on a couple of the BBT moderators' watch list, and this is what's so great about community. I did not have it on mine, so when I saw that they had it on theirs, that is what piqued my interest in pulling it up and checking it out. So it was making a pretty nice ABCD pattern on the 5 and the 15-minute pre-market. As you can see right here, you have a strong 5-minute candle, a strong 15-minute candle. It consolidated above the VWAP pre-market, and it was flirting with this 232.51 level that I had marked from the daily. And right after the market opened, it came back, tested the VWAP, as you can see right here on the 1 minute. When it started making new highs, I took a long position and immediately got out at break even because just lack of confidence. Because like I said, I don't typically trade in the first 5 minutes. So that's what lack of confidence can cause. So then I realized that it was going to be strong. So I went ahead and entered the position again. Stop loss was below these moving averages. Or if it lost the VWAP again. And then I took 50% of my my position here at 234, another 50% at 235, and then another 50% at this 235.49 level, which I also had marked from the daily. And then I had a few shares left to run, and I really thought that it opened so strong that it was going to come back and be another ABCD pattern, and I could add on a 15-minute orb. However, I was very stubborn and did not get out when it gave all the signs of a reversal. you have this shooting star 5-minute doji right here. It was unable to make a new high. Here's the double top on the 1 minute. And you have a new 15-minute low. Those are all great signs of a pretty good reversal. And I was stubborn and did not get out of the rest of my position. So it came back and stopped me out at break even. I really thought I had a great entry and that I was going to be able to add on another leg up. But anyhow, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.